In this video, I'll show you how you can insert a YouTube link in your PowerPoint slides. Now first what you want to do is go to your PowerPoint and find where you want to put the video. So let's say I want to put my video right here. What I want to do is select and go to Insert. Now in the top right corner there will be a video button. I'm going to click on the drop down menu and select Online Videos. Then from in here this will pop up and I want to copy the URL to the video. So let's quickly find a random video. We can just use this one. I watched some League of Legends earlier. You're going to copy this, click on it, Control C or right click, copy, and then come to your PowerPoint, Control V to put it in, and as you can see it will automatically find the video and you can press insert. Now once this is done, the video has been put in and you can do this to make it fit, just like that. Now if you press the play button, you will play the video, and that's basically how you can do it, guys. It's super simple and it's super fast. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.